My dog suddenly ran home with something in her mouth. OMG! It was a tiny kitten! So, I guess my dog adopted her. My dog really said, "Don't worry, kid, I got this." She became the best mom ever, helping the kitten pee and even teaching her how to use the litter box. I named the kitten Dottie, and she actually learned. My dog looked so proud. Sometimes Dottie comes to me for cuddles, but most of the time, she's with her mom. They even go on little walks together. Now they're inseparable. Dottie began copying my dog, even trying to bark like her. It's honestly the cutest thing ever. And now, every night, they curl up together on the mat,